Most Canva users don't even know these tools exist. I used to spend way too long removing text and backgrounds manually. Then I found Magic Grab and Magic Text in Canva, and now I use them literally every day. They're fast, easy, and kind of a game changer. They save me hours every week. In this video, I'll show you exactly how they work by demonstrating them on a couple of pieces of AI art that I have in real time, and a few tricks that even experienced Canva users might miss, with way less effort. Let's get started.
Ready to unlock some amazing Canva magic? Today, I'm diving into two seriously crazy tools that will take your designs from so-so to wow in seconds. Whether you're creating spooky Halloween holiday graphics or just want to bump up your creativity, you won't believe how easy these Canva tools are to use. Today, I want to show you a couple of really cool functions inside Canva that you might not even be using, but you should. So first of all, I'll go to Canva and open it up. And you could follow these same steps in anything such as a document, a card, or an invitation, etc. But I'm used to hanging out inside the video area, so I open this out of habit. First of all, I found a couple of images in Creative Fabrica, which is one of my favorite places for graphics and more. You should definitely check it out if you haven't already. It is also an incredible resource for designer, crafters, and makers in general. I wanted to make something Halloween-y, and I found this. Overall, I really like it, except for the font the designer used. I've already downloaded it. Secondly, I found this image that I really like. I wanted to show you another thing you can do in Canva using this graphic. So I'll go back to Canva and open up another page. I'm going to change the background color to something a little more Halloween-y and enlarge this. So I could erase this text. I could also take this image and fold it down and try to get it just right. In this case, I'd be pretty close, but I'd also be cutting off some of those flowers up here. I don't want to do that. So I'll go to click on Edit, then to the Magic Studio area and click on Grab Text. So I'll select the image, and this app will try to find the text in this particular image. It's done a pretty good job. I'll click on both text areas so it chooses all the letters. Now that it's all highlighted, click Grab. Give it a few seconds, and now the font has changed. Amazing! Canva tried to match the first font, but we lost an L and we lost our N in the process. But this is also easy to fix. First, I'll click the magic eraser and clean that up. Then I'll change the font and add an L and an N. And now I have changed it completely, and it only took a few seconds.
All within Canva. Next, let's play a little with Magic Grab. I use this in images all the time. I'll go to the image and enlarge it. It's really cute, but I only need the fox in the chair. So what I'll do in that case is this. I'll click Edit, go to Magic Grab, and then click on it or brush it. I'll click on it. Look at this. Now you see it's chosen just the fox. Look how clean that is. I'll click on the tail and this chair too. I'll click Grab and give it a few seconds to do its magic. Watch this. Is that not amazing? This tool not only separated the parts I wanted onto another layer, but it also created a new image area behind where the fox was. So it did actually two things at once. So if you wanted to keep this and maybe put something else here, you could easily do that. You could then take this fox and put him somewhere else on another design or project. And that is the Magic Grab tool. All of these tools in Magic Studio are premium tools, so you have to have a paid account to use them. But they are well worth it because this will save you so much time and you won't have to go back and forth to a lot of different apps. You can just do it all inside Canva. If you haven't used these yet, definitely try them for yourself. And if you want to try Canva Pro free for 30 days, there is a link in the description you can use. Lastly, I did want to show a section including video tools since I deal with that so much on my channel. So I've got a video in here right now of a fireplace and it's raining lightly outside. I'll click on this, then click on Edit. You can see the background remover and stuff like that. First, I'll go to Elements and search for a person in a sweater. Actually, I think I'll prick this one.
she will work really well. You see right now, this is covering up part of the video, right? So this is a video and this underneath is also a video. What I'm gonna do in this case is take this, click on background remover, and watch. It does a pretty good job. It really depends on the image and the background and a lot of other things, but most of the time it does a nice job. Now you can see she is on there the entire bit. There is a little bit of shadowing around her, which was just the background. Okay, and these are two tools that are in the Magic Studio specifically for videos, so I just want to point that out. If you're doing work on videos, this is also another tool in the Magic Studio that you can use on both images and also video.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.